Hello, welcome to VidhuLaw Neethi. In Code of Civil Procedure 1908, we are going to learn the Doctrine of Res Sub-judice. In this topic, we are going to learn the meaning, objective, purpose, conditions, and some case laws. Now, let me say what is the meaning of the Res Sub-judice in simple term. It means no double trial for the same issue. Means the case will be not dismissal, it will be only a stay. According to section 10 of CPC deals with the concept of res sub-judice. Res sub-judice is a Latin meaning which means under judgment. It implies that where the same subject matter is pending in a court of law for adjudicating between the party, the court barred to entertain it. Barred means should not respond. Section 10 of CPC states that no court shall proceed with the trial of any suit in which the matter is issue is also directly and substantially in issue in a previous instituted suit between the same parties or between parties under whom they or any of them claim litigating under the same title, where such suit is pending in the same or any other court in India have judicial to grant the relief claimed or any court beyond the limits of India established or continued by the central government and having like a jurisdiction or before the Supreme Court. Now let us learn the objective of res sub-judice. The objective of section 10 of CPC is to prevent the court of concurrent jurisdiction from simultaneously entering and adjudicating upon two parallel litigation in respect of the same cause of action, the same subject matter and the same relief. It also aims to avoid frivolous litigation and thus save the judicial system from the wastage of time and money of the state and the litigant. Now let us learn what's the purpose of the res sub-judice. To avoid the wastage of the court's time and resources, to avoid the judiciary overburdening by the multiplicity of suits, to avoid the inconvenience to the parties and prevent from the unnecessary harassment, to prevent the judiciary from delivering conflict decision due to multiplicity of suits, to protect the defendant from paying compensation or damage twice. Now let us see the conditions of the res sub-judice. There must be two suits, one previously instituted, other subsequently instituted. The matter in issue in the subsequent suit must be directly and subsequently in the issue in the previous suit. Both the suit must be between the same parties for this representative. Such parties must be litigant under the same title in both the suits. The previously instituted suit must be pending in the same court in which the subsequent suit is brought or in any other court in India or beyond the limit in India having like a jurisdiction. The court in which the previous suit is instituted must have jurisdiction to grant the relief claimed in the subsequent suit. Now let us study the case study of Res Sub-judice, Indian Bank versus Maharashtra State Cooperative Marketing Federal Limited. The Supreme Court held that the rule laid down in the section 10 of CPC applies to trial of suit and not the institution. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.